Breaking news. This just in. A shooting last night has been thoroughly investigated, and the scientists are believing to have come up with a conclusion. They believe to have found a reliable source of evidence, which points them in a more accurate direction of who they believe the shooter will be. Forensic scientists utilized a molecular biology approach and analyzed the DNA that was found at the crime scene. For those who are unaware, a young gentleman was found shot last night in front of the Starbucks on 4th Street. The suspect was unidentified, but he managed to forget his gun on the scene. After medical professionals identified that the gunshot was a result of that specific gun, the forensic scientists stepped in and performed a DNA fingerprint analysis of the fingerprint remains on the gun. There are a total of 4 suspects. Suspect 1 is a father. Suspect 2 is the child of this father. Suspect 3 is a potential shooter, and Suspect 4 seemed to have been the potential shooter's doppelganger. As you may suspect, on a variable number of tandem repeats, VNTR for short, there are clear results on who the scientists suspect is the shooter. From sample 1's position, we can see that only suspect 3 and suspect 4 can be accurate options, for they are consistent with the DNA sample. Suspect 2 cannot possibly be the suspect because it has no matches with the sample, and suspect 1 only has 1 match. As we observe the second locus's gel, we find that suspect 1 and suspect 3 accurately resemble the sample, while suspect 2 and 4 only match 1 location, as you can see here. Suspect 1 is the father of suspect 2, and this is made evident by the matches seen in the first gel as well as the second gel. We are also informed on this at the site of the crime that there was a father with a child who began to touch the scene before officials had arrived. In VNTR, we must expect and ensure that the sample matches the results in both gels. Therefore, if one gel is not 100% resembling the sample, it is automatically excluded from the suspect list. Because the genetic code is the same throughout the whole human body, the DNA of the sample and the DNA of the accurate suspect must be exactly alike. From these results, scientists can conclude that the only person with 100% similarity to the sample is suspect 3. And this individual is currently being searched for and will be expected to face jail time once justice is served. Thank you.